Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this series of videos in which we are showing you that how you can make use of, or you can utilize the download options available on your YouTube dashboard. Being a creator, being a channel runner, you have the access to your dashboard. You can go to the analytics and in the analytics, there are plenty of reports, right? And uh, today we are going to show you a few of the options which are related to the downloading and about the contents of this, right? So if you go to the analytics and you go to the see more option, then you have the first tab that is contents. And very important and very useful if you keep this tab monitoring right on daily basis. So this will help you make and develop your customized dashboard reports on Excel, and you can utilize your Excel skills and VBA skills uh, to that will aid your decision making as to how you should proceed with your videos, which content you should create, which are being more liked in terms of views, in terms of watch time, subscribers, estimating. So these all are the uh, keys on which these are the aspects of the data which you have, right? And on these statistics, you can base on your decision. And first of all, these statistics give you a very great insight of uh, how are your videos are being accepted and viewed and watched by the audience, and which one is the more powerful. If you click in here, so it is this arrow shows that at the moment it is showing you in the order of views. The highest views video is shown on the top, and the lowest view video is shown in the bottom, right? So on daily basis, you can keep a record of all this information and then make a database and then utilize it to monitor your yeah. So your daily base of your as part of your SOPs, standard procedure, you should do just this activity of downloading uh, for um, for a particular day. For example, if today is 25th, right? So 20 means you can have anything before 25th, that is 24. Okay, it is always good to make it one day less what is the maximum being provided by YouTube to you at any given point. So if it is showing you 25, so okay, so any date before 24, before 25, that is 24th of January, you can take it, you can apply it. So what happened to that particular day, these are shown, right? So your total views were 37, your watch time was 0.7 hours, and your estimated revenue was 1 cent, and your impressions were from the YouTube were 1185, and CTR is 2%, right? So it is the good thing is that you have a download feature in here. You click on the download and a new tab will appear, and in here you are going to download this, and once it is downloaded, so this indication will come, you go to that and then you save it. And you rename it instead of opening it, just rename it, because since it was 24 January, okay, 24 January, January. So you name it as 24 January. Okay, so once you have done it, then you move this file to your directory in which you are keeping. So I have the folder on the OneDrive in VB, and in this I have created a folder which is monthly files. So this is January 25, and we have pasted it in here. So all the daily files are available in here. Okay, now since you have all these monthly files available, so we have a file ready for you. This is the link of this file is available in the contents, right? You can download it, you can save it wherever in your OneDrive or in the local drive. And it looks for the monthly file folder as we shown you in here, right? Monthly file folder, and it should have a month folder within the monthly file. Yeah, monthly file folder. It has a month that is 2025-N, and you have all the files. Once you have this, then all you need to do is open this file and you click start, right? So what it will do, it will make for you a beautiful report, the video report, right? And also it will, before making the report, it will build the database. You see, uh, the January data will come, the first January data will come, that would be followed by 2nd January, and that would be followed up by the 3rd January. And it's going to bring all this data automatically with the click of this button, right? So let me show you. Let's click on it. And it's asking you to start from the beginning. Yes, you say yes here, and you start with the January one. It has sensed that you have 01 January. Okay, so it is now starting one by one and building the database. Once uh, it completes its job, it is going to build your video performance report, right? So the working sheet is a working sheet which is using as an entering placement of the data which the system wants. Okay, and we will show you in detail how the VBA code is working, what is the logic, how we have formulated the logic, what you say, the code, the algorithm, and also we will show you how you can purposefully make use of this customized report, right? So it is, while I'm talking, it is now building the database, and it has done it. It has completed all the run of all the. Let me unfreeze the screen so that yeah, okay, okay. So this is the unfreezing of this thing. Okay, so you can freeze it again so that you. Okay, so this is how it is here. Now it is showing this is a template in which you can make the changes. For example, you want a different date range. So you click in here and you will get all the dates options available in here. For example, you want the first week of the first 7 days. So you can uh, put all these like this, right? So whatever the day which you want to compare, see the comparison, or you want to see together that how were the views of these particular videos. So these are going to be shown, right? Three third, then you can go to the fourth. This is fourth, right? And this is fifth. Okay, and this is sixth. Yeah, this is sixth, and this is seventh. So from 1st January to 7th January, you have this information. So, okay, in these 7 days, the 24 was the highest. The 1st January went very good for you. You had all the 24 for the 24 views, and these 24 are like this. If you select this, you see this total agrees with 24, where these 15 are spread all over this, right? And when you see in the total, the total will agree with 15, right? Okay, so this is right. So the more popular it means these video is seen on 1st January, also on 2nd January, also on 4th January and 5th January. These were viewed, 2 views on the 4th January, 1 view on that, like this. Okay, so you can analyze the performance of your videos in this manner. So in upcoming video, we will show you how to develop such an, and what are the codes, code writing is done, how to use the algorithm, and how it is working, right? So in the here you can see the code, what is uh, the code is doing, right? So the code is taking, to summarize what the code has done. It has gone to your monthly folder, and it has opened all the files one by one, build the database, the videos right together, and on the basis of this database, this report is working, and it is showing you how these were the views, right? How these videos were. Also, these are hyperlinked for you if you want to play directly from here. For example, this is showing you that this is the most popular for these 7 days. So let's view this video. Then you can straight away click on it, and it will play for you. And once you finish it, you can come back to here and do the same thing with some other video, right? Okay, thank you very much for watching.